Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the NNFX baseline indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the NNFX baseline indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 30 different strategies, with 7 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 416 indicators with a total of 171 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 171 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. Alright, so today's indicator is the NNFX baseline indicator. We've tested this one a few times already. Basically what it is it's an indicator that allows you to plug in different oscillating lines or different moving averages and plot them on screen with these arrows to go long and short. Like I said, we've tested a few of the different baselines. All of them we have tested on the 30 period. That's what we tested all the other moving averages on. And this particular one, we are doing the TMA baseline is the particular moving average that we are going to test. And so just like the rest, when we get a green arrow, we are going to go long. When we get a red arrow, we are going to go short. Pretty simple setup. That's how we'll test it today. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing process. Alright, it took a little bit, but we have the first official move right there. Signal. It's going to be a signal to the short side, and it looks like we got to take profit pretty darn easily. We did. First signal, and it was a winner. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, so we pick up a long right there. On the very next candle, though, we get flipped to the short side. That one, though, does get us to take profit. So we're still one ahead at this point. Let's go ahead and continue forward. All right, so these orange arrows here, basically what those are, it is signifying a candle that is above average, or a high range candle that is above the ATR for that particular day or that particular period. We are on the daily time frame, so it would be a day. If you were on a 30 period or a 1 hour, then it would be a 1 hour candle, and it would be outside of the ATR for that 1 hour. But like I said, it is the daily, and so that's the reason why it shows orange. It's still a valid signal to the upside, long side here. If it was flipped and pointing down, it would be a signal to go short, and we got to take profit really easily on that one as well. So let's go ahead and continue forward. All right, so we pick up a short right there. I don't believe that got us to take profit. Yeah, it actually was able to squeeze out take profit on the tail, long tail on that candle right there. Let's go ahead and run through these real quick. So we get a long, then we get a flip to the short, then back long, back to the short side, and then finally a long signal there, and that one's going to get us to take profit. All right, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and fast forward just a little bit of the video here. That way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so we are at the end of the year there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, you'll get access to the Patreon only channel, where we're posting some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay has put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platform. Our regular members and admins post almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out to sea. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you will get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. It shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers with their win rates. You will also get access to an Excel sheet of strategies that we have tested. Shows exactly which ones of those were winners and losers with their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. And the admins and myself are also working on something super cool for all the patrons that is coming up in the near future. I'm not going to tell exactly what it is at this point, but like I said, it's really super cool. Something that I'm sure all the patrons will really love. A lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all, so I highly recommend it. All right, let's take a look at what we have here. All right, let's count these out and see what we get. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we have 14 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 winning trades. So unfortunately, that is going to barely miss that 60% marker that we're looking for. Yeah, I mean, what can I say? We've tested quite a few of these at this point, up to this point, and the vast majority of them just don't do well. Single baselines can be problematic. This one is no different. Maybe we will eventually find the diamond in the rough we will see. We'll continue on here. I think there's a few more different oscillating lines or moving averages to test with this one, and so we'll keep pulling it up every now and then and trying other ones. For now though, it is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.